We all are afraid of negative energies. What kind of negative energies I am talking about? I am talking about psychic attacks. What are psychic attacks? Hello everyone, my name is Megha Goel. I welcome you all on my channel. My channel Divine Souls talk about this solution of your life. Psychic attacks. The energy which is unseen, the energies which we are attracting from the unknown source. The unknown source can be your friends, your relatives, the person you don't know, which is sending you the negative vibes, known as evil eye, nazar lagna, envy, jealousy. All these are form of the psychic attacks that we all attract in daily basis, and इसके कारण हमारे बनते हुए काम रुक जाते हैं. You can see the trouble start in your relationship, small disputes, fighting between couples, या आपके बिजनेस में unknowingly कोई ऐसी एनर्जी अट्रैक्ट हो गई जो कि आपके बिजनेस में आपको ग्रो नहीं करने दे रही. सो ऑल दीज आर साइकिक अटैक्स दैट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम दी पीपल, the way they talk about your business. For example, if your business is going on, or the unknown person is talking about, wow, uska business dekho, how he is growing in his field, wo kitna success ho raha hai. So the way the energies are coming and poking, it's like a needle, it's like a poking in your environment energy, and you are start attracting, you are start getting the psychic attacks in your life. So today in this video I will be teaching you how to trap these negative, or you can say these psychic energies which is giving you or creating a problem in your life. So for this spell you will be needing one black candle, one white candle. You will be needing 7 stones. So these are the normal stones that you can easily get from any garden or from the road. So these are the rough stones. You will be needing 7 stones. Empty jar with tin lid, incense sticks. So you will be lighting your dhoop first. After lighting this dhoop will clean the atmosphere around your spell. So then you will be lighting the white candle, and you will arrange 7 stones around the candle. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 stones around the candle. Open the jar. It's a very simple and a powerful spell for binding all these psychic attacks in your life. Now you will light the black candle. So basically these stones around the white candle is attracting the positive energies, and from the left hand we will be picking up the one stone. Put this stone into this jar. After keeping this stone into this jar, you will take the black candle and you will drop the wax on this stone. So make sure that a good quantity of wax, melting wax, is going upon the stone. While the wax is melting on the stone, you have to say the spell, that is, candle flame burning bright, by your flame on this night trap all evils, seal it well, in which stone make it remain, never to be loosed again. So once the prayer finish, you will keep up the black candle back. Then again you will pick up the second stone. You will drop into the jar once again, and again pick up your black candle with the right hand and drop the wax on that stone and say the prayer once again. Candle flame burning bright by your flame on this night, trap all evil, seal it well in each stone, make it remain, never to be loosed again. Then again keep it back. So you will be repeating this process with each stone. So left stone, melt the wax on the stone and say the prayer again. Candle flame burning bright by your flame on this night, trap all evil, seal it well in each stone, make it remain, never to be loosed again. The fourth one, put the melt on the fourth one and repeat your prayer. Candle flame burning bright by your flame on this night, trap all evil, seal it well in each stone, make it remain, never to be loosed again. Keep it back. With your left hand again pick the fifth stone, melt the wax and repeat your spell again. Candle flame burning bright by your flame on this night, trap all evil, seal it well in each stone, make it remain, never to be loosed again. Keep your candle back. Your sixth stone going inside this jar, and again we will be doing melting wax on the stone and saying the prayer. Candle flame burning bright by your flame on this night, trap all evil, seal it well in each stone, make it remain, never to be loosed again. Keep it back. And our last stone going inside to this jar. Melt the wax and say the prayer. Candle flame burning bright by your flame on this night, trap all evil, seal it well in each stone, make it remain, never to be loosed again. So now visualize that all the psychic attacks that is coming from known or unknown source is getting trapped into these stones. So melt the wax on each stone and visualizing that the psychic attacks, it can be your enemy, it can be your relative, anyone who is sending you all the negative energies, negative thoughts, psychic thoughts are getting sealed into these stones. So as you can all see that I am covering the stones with the melting wax properly. So basically what I am doing, I am binding my enemies' thoughts, I am binding my enemies' actions. Once done, then you will blow this black candle. You have to blow. While blowing, I intend that the actions from my enemies have been freezed, stopped, bind there itself. And now I will close the jar lid and I will place the white candle on top of this jar, and I will let this white candle to be burned completely. So this is the very powerful and a magical binding negative energy spell, or you can say trapping psychic attacks into the stone. This spell has to be done on Saturday. After doing this spell, leave it like this, let the candle burn completely. Once it is burned completely, pick up the jar and keep it in the hidden place. You can keep it in your almirah, cupboard, so that no one can see it. Hide it properly. So every month of the Saturday, you have to repeat this spell. So what you will do, you will throw the stones into the dustbin, clean the jar, and again pick up the new stones and repeat the whole spell. Do comment in the section below how you like the spell, how's the energies you felt after doing this spell. Like and share this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. My name is Megha Goyal. I'm an astrologer, numerologist, past life therapist, Vastu consultant, psychic healer, and a life coach. Angels love for everyone. Atma Namaste.